During this review, I'll be trying out some snacks that you may be familiar with. You might just know the packaging. You might not have ever seen them before, like me. But I'll try them out for you and we'll see what we get. Some of them are pretty interesting, like cop balls. But some of them you may know, like Hershey's, but flavors that you don't see in the United States. And we'll see what we get.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, everybody, on my taste testing time snacks. I'll be assisted by my sister-in-law, and coming up first, taste will be cop balls. Cop balls. That's right, cop balls. Here we go. Let's see how it tastes. Who knows? Maybe it's good. All right, here we go. Cop balls. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Cop balls. All right. Good old brown nuggets. Here we go. Kind of little, very little bit of taste. Let me see. Try some more. It's okay. It tastes like Cocoa Puffs, but like a mild version of that. All right. Coming up next, a product called Colon, and I don't know if it's the right pronunciation, but that's how I'm pronouncing it. Colon. Okay, it might be Colin, but I'm saying it's Colon. All right, let's see how that tastes. This one will be assisted by my wife, and here we go. All right. Now, colon, like I said, I can't spell that in Thai or pronounce it in Thai, because if you want to have a go at that, you're more than welcome. There it is. But let's try some of that colon. Strawberry colon, actually. Kind of looks like a packed colon. Here we go.
Sweet.
You want to try this one?
Yeah.
Once again, like most Thai snacks, it's kind of bland. It's not very super sugary. It's like a cream filling with a crunchy like cookie outside. Once again, it's just okay. I'd give it like a 5 out of 5. But I'll try another one though. You like it?
Yeah. Not too sweet.
Oh, it's okay. All right, 5 out of 5. Next up, we'll see. Today with this product, this one's going to be assisted by my sister-in-law again. And there might be a product there that you might recognize, like Lay's. And that's my son making a cameo. But this one is Lay's, Thai style. It's sweet basil, and it's got peppers on it, so I don't know what that's going to be about. But this one is not in English, and it says strong on there, so I would assume it's spicy. But let's check it out. Here we go. First up, the spicy. Ooh, this one right here, spicy. First one. This one looks like a lot of powder on there. Spicy. I'd say, wow, very spicy. Wow. Hold on. Wow. That one is very spicy. Actually, it tastes very yummy. But you gotta be ready for that one. It's spicy. Let's try the other one. Where is it? Alright. This one is one I wanted to try for a while. Sweet basil. It also has some peppers on it, so maybe that was spicy too. Let's try that one. Actually, it's really gross. Sorry, ladies, but it doesn't taste very good. No wonder why they don't have this in America. It's not tasty at all. Tastes like some dirty socks that has been left in an underwear drawer. You know about that one? Bah?
Yes.
You do? Well, she does. So. No English, so. Had to wash it down with a super hot, spicy one. The winner on that one is this one. This one is it's spicy, but it's about, I'd say, an 8 out of 10. Very good. This one I give like a 1. No, yeah, I'll give it a 1 out of 10. It's really gross. Okay. All right, coming up next are being assisted by my wife on this next taste, and we'll see how this one goes. Maybe it'll be a good one. Actually, one of these I've actually already tried. This one right here. I try and I won't spoil it. But we'll start with this one first. This one is, thank you, sweetie, by the way. Thank you, sweetie, by the way.
You're welcome.
It's hard to get good help, but you know, when you're on a budget, that's all you can do. You can sit back, sweetie. You can relax. Let's see. This one is potato snacks, and in Thai, what does that say in Thai?
Paprika.
Paprika?
Paprika.
Oh, okay. Paprika. Okay. All right. It says potato snacks, but for some crazy reason, it has a picture of pasta on the front. I don't know if you can see that, but why have potato and say pasta? But you know what? We're in Thailand, let it ride, right? Let's try this one first. Which one is it? This one. Let's try that one. It actually looks exactly like pasta. If it was on a plate with sauce, I'd be full.
Spicy.
Right off the bat, it is just so disgusting that I will actually not be trying another one. It's very gross. You want to try one?
Yeah, I like this one.
I never had this one before. It's gross. You like that one?
No, okay.
I won't try another one because it's that bad to me. It tastes like, actually it tastes like eating a snail that dried out in the sun.
Oh.
And kind of has that taste. I was going to try one, but I will not do it. Move on to the next one. Let's say that one is a 0 out of 10. We won't mess around here. We're harsh critics. Okay. This one I actually had before. And let's see what it is first of all. Nothing on here is in English at all. Nothing. So it has Chinese writing and Thai writing. What does that say? Do you know?
The name of the candy is Party.
Party? Okay, this is Party.
Sweet.
Sweet Party at that. Let's try it. I don't know what it is, but it does taste 100% Thai. I'll tell you that. It's sweet. Unlike most Thai snacks, it's sweet. And it's sweet and has a slight peppery, chili taste to it. Trying to.
I think you like that one. You try a lot.
By far, this is the best snack that I have had here. That's like in a chip form. It's an absolute 10 out of 10. I'd give it an 11, but I don't want to mess around. You want to try one? You like that one? What does it taste like?
Sweet.
It tastes like
A
sweet
little bit spicy.
and a little bit spicy. Oh, my camera girl, you want to try one? No, she don't want to try one. She don't want to get fat. I'll try hers. Actually, I'll try mine. Okay, bye. Here we are again. This time we'll be assisted by my sister-in-law once again. Switching camera duties with my wife, and here we go for the next tasting. We'll see how that works out. Funny, right? I touch my head, that gives her the signal to come over. Secret. Okay, we will start off with this right here. This is like it's coffee flavored, crispy sugared peanuts. Okay, what do you think about that, Smiley? Nothing, huh? She don't speak English, but it smells exactly like Cracker Jacks. You guys probably have no idea what that is, but in America they should know what that is. All right, here we go. It doesn't taste like Cracker Jacks. On the back has a picture of some peanuts partying with a piece of chocolate. It's very good. Wow, I like that one. It tastes like almost like Boston baked beans. You guys don't know what that is either, but right, Smiley? Oh, you look worried. Don't worry, you're getting paid. Don't worry. Looks like she's not getting paid. She's not getting paid. But she don't understand what I'm saying, so the joke's on her. But yeah, this one I give it a 9 out of 10. It's very, very good. Let's move on to the next one. Let me wash the palate. Hold on. That's good water though, by the way. Anyway, let's see what's next. This one is, I don't know. Doesn't say anything in English. It's a lemon flavored wafer. It actually looks very good. And let's see. It smells very lemony, like lemon pledge. That's very good. I'll do a quick one on that one. It's very good, like I expected. It's very light, very sweet and lemony at the same time. I'd give that an 8 out of 10. It's pretty nice. It's very nice. And that, by the way, that costs like 10 baht, which is like, what's that, like 30 cents? 30 cents. All right, what's next? Okay, here's another one. Another cookie. This one is dewberry. Maybe you might know that in whatever country you come from, but I do not. And it is watermelon flavored cookie. It's like an Oreo with watermelon flavor in the middle. Let's try it. How you doing, Smiley? You okay? Okay. Easy to open. You say that. That's what it looks like.
Why is yellow?
Thank you, camera girl, for talking at the. That was awesome, but here we go. She is not getting paid, by the way. Let me see. It smells just like watermelon. Wow. I don't want to talk with my mouth open while I'm eating, but it's very good. You want to try one? No? You don't want one? I'll help her. It's good. I'll give that one I give that a 9 out of 10. I'll buy that one again. It's very good. Same thing here in Thailand. That's 30 cents. Wow, I like that one. Nice simple. Speaking of Oreo, there it is. You do not have this in America, and if you do, I don't know where to hide it. There's a fizzy orange Oreo cookie. That's awesome. Let's try that. Here in Thailand, they have bizarre flavored Oreos that we don't have in America. Right, Smiley? You look so sad. Let's see. That's what happens when you have cheap labor. Can't get around it. I cannot open this. Maybe I need a strong person to open this. Can you open that? Yes. Wow. I guess she showed me, huh? What happens when you talk trash? It showed up. All right, look at that. It's orange on the inside. Orange fizzy Oreo. Mmm. It tastes like someone took an Oreo cookie and put a slice of orange on it. It's very good. I don't know why they don't have this. They would sell off the shelves. It's very good. I would give that one a 9 out of 10. Very good.